Merry meet magical souls and welcome back to another magical video. So if any of you are feeling like you're being affected by black magic, this video is going to help you out through the power of prayer. You guys can fight magic with magic, and let me know if you want to see videos on how you can fight and combat that in the comment section down below. But honestly, in a lot of videos guys, I teach you how to protect yourself with basic circle casting and shields and crystal grids and all that good stuff. But this prayer is very beneficial guys, because this is Tara Bodhisattva, and she was born out of Guanyin Pusa's, aka Avalokiteshvara Bodhisattva's tears, became this Bodhisattva. So this Pusa right here guys, the Guanyin Pusa, her tears when she was crying birthed this Pusa. So basically, this Bodhisattva guys has 21 aspects of herself, and one of them being the black version of her. She fights black magic. And for some reason, this Tara mantra isn't really known well because it's from Tibet. And so this black Tara mantra, guys, came directly from Tibet from a monk. So this is a very powerful sutra that not a lot of people know about. That's kind of more kept under wraps. I'll bring it into fruition for all of you guys here who come across my video to help you guys out. So without further ado, let's get into her mantra. I'm going to use my mala. There's 108 beads for a reason, guys. It represents your 108 charkas. It's an auspicious number, and you guys want to do a mala of it. Or if you don't have a mala, just go ahead and do your prayers and your thing. I also have a prayer wheel, guys, that amplifies your prayers and affirmations. There's a bunch of prayers within the prayer wheel, and while you spin it, it amplifies all the prayers within it, as well as the ones you're reciting. So I'm using all the good vibes, guys. I also got moldavite crystal with me. You can use clear quartz crystals, things to amplify your intentions and your prayers to help you do your thing. So without further ado, let's go ahead and fight some black magic with Black Tara's mantra. It's Om Tare Tutare Ture Soha Trefe, 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 Om tare tu tare tu re so ha trefe. Om tare tu tare tu re so ha trefe. Om tare tu tare tu re so ha trefe. Om tare tu tare tu re so ha trefe. Om tare tu tare tu re so ha trefe. Om tare tu tare tu re so ha trefe. Om tare tu tare tu re so ha trefe. Om tare tu tare tu re so ha trefe. Om tare tu tare tu re so ha trefe. Om tare tu tare Om tare tu tare tu re so ha trefe. Om tare tu tare tu re so ha trefe. Om tare tu tare tu re so ha trefe. Om tare tu tare tu re so ha trefe. Om tare tu tare tu re so ha trefe. Om tare tu tare tu re so ha trefe. Om tare tu tare tu re so ha trefe. Om tare tu tare tu re so ha trefe. Om tare tu tare tu re so ha trefe. Om tare tu tare tu re so ha trefe. Om tare tu tare tu re so ha trefe. Om tare tu tare tu re so ha trefe. Om tare tu tare tu re so ha trefe. Om tare tu tare tu re so ha trefe. Om tare tu tare tu re so ha trefe. Om tare tu tare tu re so ha trefe. Om tare tu tare tu re so ha trefe. Om tare tu tare Om tare tu tare tu re so ha trefe. Om tare tu tare tu re so ha trefe. Om tare tu tare tu re so ha trefe. Om tare tu tare tu re so ha trefe. Om tare tu tare tu re so ha trefe. Om tare tu tare tu re so ha trefe. Om tare tu tare tu re so ha trefe. Om tare tu tare tu re so ha trefe. Om tare tu tare tu re so ha trefe. Om tare tu tare tu re so ha trefe. So I also forgot to tell you guys, but I'm assuming if you're watching this, you did some research on how to use a mala. You want your index finger pointed in because it's your eagle finger, and you don't want to pass the mala. Once you go to your 108 beads, you want to turn it around and then start doing it this way. So I finished one mala of Black Tara's mantra. So my intention for this prayer is for all those of you who watch, may you be protected and blessed within Tara Pusa's embrace. May it be transmuted into positive, healing light within Tara Bodhisattva's loving embrace. So mote it be. So that was the Black Tara mantra, guys. I hope you enjoyed and will benefit from it to help you clear away anything that is being sent your way that is lower energy, negative vibrations, and black magic. And without further ado, until next time, I will see you guys then. By earth, by air, by fire, by water, by spirit, in the name of Goddess Nyx, may you all be blessed and rejuvenated. So mote it be.